Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video about an update of my hair care and how long my hair has been grown since the last time I did the video. My last video was right after I had gotten my hair cut, and I cut off a lot of inches in my hair because the ends were dried. And so these past 3 months I have been implementing a lot of different hair care techniques because I was hoping to grow my hair long. I really miss my long hair. And so my hair has grown 3 inches, if not more, 3.5 maybe, but we'll measure them. So anyway, so I wanted to do an update of things that I've done to my hair to help them grow. So if you would like to see all the tips and tricks, please keep watching. So what I started doing was started looking up for ways to add moisture back into dry hair. I started looking into aloe vera juice. I started looking into hair oils. I started looking into Ayurvedic herbs. I started looking into scalp massages, and I started looking into rice water recipes. My measurement first, and then you can kind of see how long it's been. All right, so when I cut my hair last time, I don't think I measured it, but from the video, I remember that my hair was about right here, okay? I think when I measured it, I'm pretty sure, I didn't do it on camera, but it was about 11 inches. About right there. So I'm gonna see. So what I do is I usually take this back portion here, because anywhere from here, if I was to measure up on top, it may not be accurate because of the part that you sometimes do. You can add more hair, less hair to it. So I don't know if that's gonna be very accurate in my measurement. Okay. So 11 inches is right there. So I think that's where my hair was before when I got the hair. Put it onto my scalp. And my hair is curly, so it may not be even as long as I would like it, but all right, so it is past 14 inches. I don't know if you can see that right now. It's kind of a little bit past 14 inches. Okay. And that's just this part of my hair. I'm not taking the whole back part. Usually I take this part, and this is curly. I had to stretch it out. So if I was to completely straighten it, it might be even maybe a little bit longer, maybe, I don't know, a couple of centimeters or something. So that is from 11 inches to 14 inches. That's about 3 inches of growth. So I'm very excited to have any growth whatsoever. My hair grows really slowly. It grows usually half an inch per month. So it's really hard for me to grow my hair long, because in a year it grows like, you know, sometimes like 4 inches in a year, and you can never tell because it's curly. So anyway, I'm super excited that my hair is actually even grown. I'm like thrilled. So the tips and tricks that I'll tell you, the things that I've used, and hopefully it can help some of you out there. First off, I'll tell you, I have really dry hair, okay? And then my scalp is, sometimes it's dry, but I think lately it's been getting oily. But you know, that's just, I don't know, it's just because my hair is too dry. I'm still kind of trying to figure that out right now because of the climate change. What I started doing was putting aloe vera juice. So I got aloe vera juice from like a Whole Foods, or you can get it at any nature store. Try to make sure you get like 100%, or you know, not 99%, or if you get like just natural aloe vera, that's probably gonna be the best. I just got the natural juice, added some water in a spray bottle, and I would spray it all over my hair. And then after that, my oil recipe. So there's a YouTuber who has this wonderful DIY recipe. Her name is Curly Proverbs, and she makes this amazing hair growth oil that was like, it's been so amazing for my hair. And you add herbs to it, you can add henna to it, you can add different things to it depending on your hair type. So I started using that. After I spray aloe vera juice in my hair, I put the oil all over my scalp, my hair. Then I will put like a hot head cap on, and I would leave that for about 2 hours, and then I will wash my hair. So now my hair is seriously like it's gotten its life back. It feels much more stronger after I've been using the hair oils. Another thing that I've started doing was scalp massages. So I've gotten a scalp massager from Planet. I don't have it with me here right now, but it's vanityplanet.com. You can, I think, even pick it up at Bed Bath if I'm not mistaken. But it's just a scalp massager that you can kind of, you know, massage your scalp before you're gonna wash your hair. Or you're gonna do any like hair treatments, just massage it all over, and it feels so good. And I think it also stimulates blood flow to your scalp and then blood flow to your hair follicles. And then in return, you're getting much more healthier hair because you're having much more blood circulated all over. So it's so healthy to do that regularly. And I really think that has helped my hair a lot more than I think it has. Like, those massages are amazing. Another recipe that I just started doing is rice water recipe. So I was kind of on the fence about rice water. I wasn't really sure what it was gonna do to my hair, and I was just like, I don't know, rice water, it looks like it's a lot of work to make, but I really wanted to try something that would work. And after seeing so many, reading so many reviews and seeing so many people, I actually ran into a girl in person. So here's my thing, like, I know there's reviews and a lot of people talking about it, but I didn't personally know anybody that you could use rice water, so that's why I was kind of a little hesitant. So the other day I was at Sephora, and this girl had this beautiful, luscious, long, dark hair. And like, it was right down to her tailbone. And I had asked her, I was like, your hair is so beautiful. Like, what do you do? Because I told her my story that I cut my hair so short, it used to be longer and all that, And she said that she uses, well, she doesn't heat style her hair, but she also uses rice water in her hair. Rice water. And I started looking it up, of course, and I thought, okay, if I know a person, like I've met somebody in person who's done it, like that's a living example that it works. So why don't I just try it? I got that curly hair looking up here. So then I looked up recipes on rice water, and there are a few recipes like online about this. Didn't know which method was correct and which method I should follow, because there's a fermented method and then there's another method. The water that you get from, after the third rinse, that water that you get, I just used that like right away after I washed my hair. So now that made my hair kind of poofy and dry. So I wasn't really sure, and I'm thinking to myself, maybe it's just not for my hair. But I didn't want to give up on it. So the key method was to ferment it. So then I fermented it. I found a method to ferment it. And that was the key, is to ferment it properly. So I used the fermented method, and oh my gosh, my hair was silky soft. So let me tell you, curly hair is rarely silky soft. It's usually a little bit on the drier side, of course. It takes products to get it to look a little bit silky, right? My hair was silky. My hair is silky soft, so I shouldn't get too excited right now. But like, it's the third time I've used it. And another thing I realized is that the longer the fermentation, the silkier it's gonna be for your hair. I used my fermented water for, I think I fermented it for about a week. And I used that, and I could tell that the longer you ferment it, the better your hair likes it. So my hair right now, it's just, I washed it yesterday, and I absolutely love the way it feels. Of course, I've kind of curled and straightened it just because, but it feels and looks so good. So the rice water is something that I'm gonna probably keep using. Now, I do understand the overload of protein in your hair and all that other jazz. So I'm gonna try to keep an eye on that, try not to overload my hair with protein. See how it goes. Hopefully in the next 2 to 3 months, I'll grow another 3 inches. Those are some of my tips and tricks I have been using for my hair for the past 3 months. And I'm sorry, I know it took a while for me to do this video because I had filmed it before I started doing the rice water, and then I never posted it because I wanted to actually post it after I had tried all these new techniques or these new recipes, and then try them a few times and then do an updated video about how they've been working. So hair massages, hair oils mixed with Ayurvedic herbs, also rice water. So they've been working wonders so far. I'm super excited. My hair looks so much better than it did a year ago. I remember my hair it had changed. It was just dry. I couldn't get it to look the uniform curls that I used to have. I feel like it's getting a little bit better. So I'm hopeful and I'm excited. I try to rarely use any hair products in my hair. I only use one styling hair product. And that has, you know, it's a hair leave-in, it's a hair heat protectant, and so that's it. And I just use it on my end, so I don't use that many hair products. That's my updated 3-month hair routine that I've been doing. So I hope that helps some of you out there who are struggling with growing your hair long. Another thing that I'm really excited about today and I wanted to do a video on is my new curling iron. So I usually use hot tools for my hair. And I've been using those for years. Nothing wrong with them. I love them. I still use them. However, I came across the GHD curve iron for soft curls. Okay. So I thought, okay, let me give this a try because of so many the silky curls. Yeah, the box is great. It does not have an adjustable temperature. So it's just, you can't change the temperature on this. It's going to just be on that one temperature. So it could get really hot. Most of the time I think they go up to 450 if I'm not mistaken, or 400. With the hot tools, I used to just leave the heat at about 300 to 330 to do my hair. I wouldn't go any more than that. So this is what it looks like. Now it's called GHD curve. I'm not sure why, because it's not curved. I like that it's easy to handle. It has a power button here, right there. It does distribute heat throughout the hair, so I didn't feel like it wasn't doing that. I like the skinny handle. It is easy to handle. My curls did come out really good. I really do like the way that my curls came out of this, because I usually like a lot more of the bigger curls or the waves. And of course, as you notice, I don't curl all my hair. I usually just kind of straighten the front. This one's nice. I like it. When I first started using it, I was like, oh no, it's not adjustable. It's too hot. I don't know if I like it. So I was kind of like, I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it, but to be honest, after I started using it, I thought, let me just try it on my hair one time, and if I don't like it, I don't have to use it. So I kind of tried it all over, and I think I may keep it. It's gonna be a keeper. The only knock on it, though, I will say, is that this edge right here. So when you're curling, there isn't much place for you to hold. Like when you have a longer place here that you can hold when you're trying to, curl. This kind of little knob thing, I don't know, it's not really working for me. But other than that, it has, just a decent amount of cord. It's not too long. That's my first impression with the GHD. Curling irons usually last a really, really long time, so I don't necessarily think it's a bad thing if it's a little bit more, because I have curling irons. I have a curling iron that's 7 years old. It finally started breaking down. So they usually will last a really, really long time. Anyways, that was my hair update, hair growth update and my new curling iron first impression. So I hope you all like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. And thank you so much for watching.